Hello, my wonderful, wonderful people, and welcome to our last Vietnam vlog. Tomorrow it's time to jump on another plane and go to Taiwan. I'm really looking forward to that, especially since, well, there was a tiny problem with my first Airbnb, so I had to book another one, and because that one was only available from the 12th, I will now spend 9 days at the ocean in the north of Taipei. So I decided I will chill for 9 days. We'll see if that works. But yeah, it really wasn't planned. It was not planned to go there. It was not planned to have a look at that specific place. But now I'm really looking forward to going there. I can just take the MRT from the airport to that tiny little place. So yeah. Otherwise, in this vlog you will see more of Hanoi. You will see one of the special streets, because what I found is you can find a lot of streets that are just made for certain things. In this vlog you will see a tiny glimpse of the street where you can find all the pieces you need to repair your scooter. I also found a street where you can find a lot of people who will repair the seats of your scooters, because you will need not a mechanic for that one, you will need someone who is able to use a sewing machine. Yeah, you can find a lot of different streets where you can find only like certain things, but these can be huge complexes, so it's really interesting to just walk around and explore. And also, and this is kind of like a trigger warning, I went to the zoo here in Hanoi, and if you don't like zoos, you definitely will not like this one. It's really, really, really old, and the cages are, yeah, that's what I would call them, cages, and not like what you normally call it in a zoo. Sorry, I'm blanking on the word, but you know what I mean. So yeah, if you don't like that, stop watching after, stop watching for the second day, because there's the scooter ride to the zoo, and then there's only the zoo. So yeah, otherwise I don't really have anything else to say. I might do an overall video about Vietnam. I might not. I haven't decided yet. I had fun while being here. I saw so many different things and explored so many interesting places. So I enjoyed my time here, really. But I'm also looking forward for the next place, and the next one, and the next one. So that's the crux of traveling. You never stay, you always leave. And with that, I'm going to leave you to the footage. you.